The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar fundamentally is actually serious areas of strength for quite a for the most part huge way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 65 cents. Or so they really thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo sort of is floating at $1,404,206, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo basically acquired roughly 0.86% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in an especially significant manner. 23 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these oftentimes basically got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What in a real sense is by and large transient cost expectation for Nexo? Basically is Nexo a truly wise speculation? For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on incredibly. However, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, certainly let us explicitly discuss the sort of current market conditions. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,207,461,109,687, which generally is very huge. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $23,363,779,520 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in a truly significant manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17% in an exceptionally large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 0.71%. Coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Nexo United States dollar exchanges closed 65 cents, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period. Sort of additional appearance how 23 July 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually certainly sought clarification on some pressing issues facts. What generally will be by and large momentary cost expectation for Nexo? Certainly is Nexo an especially wise speculation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. BNB, the especially local coin of BNB by and large, is up by 0.7 and right now exchanging at $243.64, exhibiting how the extremely absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $23,363,779,520, or so they basically thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that the especially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $23,363,779,520 in an unpretentious manner. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market basically is going in a by and large descending bearing, for certainly momentary in a very enormous manner. As of now, a kind of broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially is very huge. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish really key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing that 23 July 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Nexo? Basically is Nexo a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers really become sort of more sort of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Nexo United States dollar exchanges closed 65 cents. Or so they truly thought. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors explicitly move especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, which in every practical sense is very critical. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The truly current Nexo cost basically is 65 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,404,206 and a vary beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. At present, Nexo really is up by 0.86% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $364,783,662 United States dollars. So however prior to plunging sort of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us explicitly to discuss the kind of current market conditions. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there by and large was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687 in a very enormous manner. Nexo value examination. Nexo cost investigation for 23 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of underneath, exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 65 cents, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving all things considered, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving all things considered, normal EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Nexo. Nexo basically has truly break all its especially upholds levels, and things especially are not looking great for the crypto market, showing how we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving fundamentally normal, EMA to for the most part examine the future development of the Nexo. Nexo by and large has truly break all its generally upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking commonly really great for the crypto market, which truly is genuinely critical. As of now, especially bears in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively really take Nexo cost underneath the significant help level of 82 cents, which basically shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo by and large is floating at $1,404,206 in an especially huge manner. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44 and in a real sense is attempting to break out of the impartiality zone. All things considered, further appearance how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar